This is the Carl Built 600 HD. It was lightly used a couple weeks ago. I had it, traded it back in. Going to test this one out. This one is for Terry. Just make sure it's good to go. We're only going to be hitting it with about 100 watts PEP. These can take up to 175 PEP, give or take. So we're going to be under driving it quite a bit. Consider that when you're watching how much it does in the video here. We're only going to be hitting it with the RFX 29 that's got the 100 watt RFX 95 on the back of it. So again, we'll be under driving it. 35 to 40 watts average going in with about 100 watts PEP. And again, this is the Carl Built 600 HD, 6 standard 2879s in this one. I do just want to make sure it's good to go before it goes out to the customer, especially since it's a used amp. We'll make sure everything's good with it. So we'll get into the test here. We're set up at 15 volts. It's going to be our test voltage. We'll come over here and why not start out with PEP. 1000 watt slug, bottom scale. Hello. 900 watts PEP right there at. So that's always good. And then average power. Hello, audio. Audio. Hello, audio. 300 and some change. Hello, audio. It all depends on the tone that you put into it, but testing it before the video, it bounced up close to 400 there a couple of times. So average power, again, a lot of times depends on the tone, but 300 plus pretty easy, and that is under driving it. Obviously, you put the proper amount of drive into it, definitely expect it to come on up, get there that 450, 500 range on average, and then I would expect it to do, generally 1100 to 1300 PEP. Again, we're under driving it by about 75 watts PEP, and under driving it probably by about 25 watts or so average. So you can expect those numbers to come up. We are at 15 volts. Clamp meter test here. Show you what it draws. Hello. 55 amps. So again, not drawing a whole lot the way we're running it right now. That'll come up too. Even on AM, you can expect this thing, you drive it to full power, 65, 75 amps, something like that. Now on sideband, these things will draw over 100 if you're hitting them on sideband to full output. That's it, guys. 6-pill Carl Built 600 HD. Audio. 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 It's funny to watch that average power kind of bounce around sometimes, depending on what tone you use. Should be a good one for him. We'll get this one shipped out probably tomorrow, but again, just want to double check it, make sure it was doing some good power before it left here, and I believe she is good to go. Carl Built 600 HD for Mr. Terry. Appreciate it, guys. Questions, comments, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.